I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you celebrated Thanksgiving yesterday, I hope you had a fantastic day. And today's video, if you can't tell by my voice, I am completely sick. I am super sick, and I've been sick for about 2 weeks now, and it's driving me crazy. Today I had enough energy to move around the house, and every time I went to the fridge, it was a nightmare. Like, there's so much food that's just gone bad from no one using it. I haven't cooked in the last 2 weeks because I've been so sick. So I thought I would just do a quick little tidy up of the fridge. I'm not removing any shelves to deep clean them. It's just a quick little tidy. And so I thought I'd bring you guys along. I hope you enjoy this quick little fridge cleaning video.
Something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be. Not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day.
That's it, guys, for my fridge cleaning video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cleaning videos. And I will see you guys next week. Have a great weekend, guys.
Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my